Hello everyone, this is Candice from Sauna. Welcome to our sauna workshop. And today we want to share with you a customized sauna room from one of our Australian customers. So this big sauna. And the size of this sauna is about 2.1 in width and the height is also 2.1 meter. And the depth of the sauna is 4.5 meters, so it is very long. Okay, let's go inside. As we can see, this sauna has a large changing room. The length is about 2.2 meters, so you can take a rest here or even lay on the benches. Okay, let's go inside the sauna room. And this sauna has the 7-type 2-layer benches like this, so you can enjoy the different temperature in this sauna. Because the temperature on the top bench is more higher than on the lower bench. Okay, so do you like this sauna room? Or what kind of sauna room do you prefer? Please feel free to contact us if you have any need. Okay, see you. Bye bye.